Nice. Kobe's hooked up with a really good fish. Get it on the reel. But don't let too much slack go. Nice, dude. Oh, I got so much line out. Oh, dude. Coming. Oh, yes. Oh, dude, that's a big fish. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I got you covered on the net. Move away from your ladder if you can. Because you know where it'll go. Right to your ladder. That's a good fish. Oh, yeah. Yeah. That's a nice fish, dude. Wow. That's a good one. Show the world.
Yes. I'm here. Big summit.
That is a big summit. Nice, dude. Nice fish. Sweet.
Yeah.
Oh, fish on. I mean, I felt him bump it. And then I had to like side set it because I saw him turn on it and eat it. It's that same fly that you've got. Really colored up. Yeah. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Sure. Oh no. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Where'd he go? Uh-oh. 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 Total shit show. Oh shit. He's around me. He's gonna break. Can you get him? He's right here. He's wrapped around me. He's by my legs. Try to get him. Try to get him. Just go after him. Stab him. Stab at him. Oh, there we go. Oh my God. Oh my God. He's around my legs. That was just stupid. Thought there was no chance that I was going to land that thing. Oh my God. I cannot believe that he didn't break off. Oh, it's gonna hurt if I don't get this. I got the wrong direction. Again, it's like right in his lip. Oh. That was chaotic. Look at this guy. Oh, yes. Very nice, Lahawton. Oh, thank you.